use this recording to show the retrograde motion of Mercury and how it appears in the night sky. So we're going to play the video, and we're going to center on the object, and we're going to speed it up. As you can see, it's moving. It's attempting to move clockwise, and then it goes counterclockwise, which exemplifies the retrograde motion as it appears from the Earth and how it moves. And so as we go by, as time goes by, it seems to be getting farther and farther away in its orbit around the sun, and it'll get closer and closer also. But the constant switching of the movement is slightly due to the rotation of the Earth, but it's also showing the retrograde motion of how it actually moves. It's just getting farther. It's on the other side of its orbit. It's going to come back around. And yeah, that just shows the movement of it.